All right, y'all, last hole I'm on into. What I need to do, baby?
Hello there, and thanks for joining us for another episode of Caddy of the Day. Today, you see it? One of my favorite caddies with a Faddy. Actually, that's what we call her, Caddy with a Faddy. She throws up a gang sign that translates to West Side in Thai. From the right angle, you can really appreciate her natural beauty. As I prepare for my putt, Caddy with a Faddy guides me towards the hole. But it's up to me to put it in. What do you think? Make sure to take notes because at the end of the year, we're going to have a Caddy of the Day year-end recap episode where my Zoom tribers and subscribers will vote on their favorite caddy and we will give her the Caddy of the Year award. Brilliant!
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. So many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go!
Good morning, Thailand! This is what I call the caddy nest. Caddies that have not been reserved wait patiently for new customers. Look, one of the Thai workers setting the mood for the Christmas spirit, even though Thais don't celebrate Christmas. Always accommodating the foreigners. Here, let me show you the locker room.
And the cool part about these courses, man, it's like you get the shower, you get the resort kind of feel. Faddy card?
Your own personal locker, free of charge.
So what it is, the facilities are free. It's included with the golf. Oh, Kap Kung Kap. Kap Kung Kap.
The only thing you have to pay for is 20 baht for a towel to shower. 20 baht is approximately 57 cents at the time of this video.
So the facilities are free. You pay 20 baht for a towel, which is like, I don't know, 50 cents, something like that.
Plenty of shower facilities, plenty of lockers. In Thailand, you get what you pay for. Back to my caddy. Caddy with the Faddy. She patiently awaits me to board the golf cart. There's a very special secret about her that I can't talk about here. But if you are a Patreon member, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Trust me, it's worth finding out. Right, Patreon members? Look at her. So sweet and innocent. Off we go.
You know what? I figured out why she got that thing back there, you guys. She look Middle Eastern. I think you look like you could be from Pakistan or India. You got a hasi.
From India.
Yeah.
Indonesia.
Where you get that booty from though? You got that Middle Eastern booty. That's what it is. See, she got the little thing on. You know? We don't get to the bottom of all this.
Meanwhile, a Thai worker tends the green. Although a day's work may come out to about $10 US, she doesn't complain. She merely moves her belongings and waits for us to finish.
She was doing her job and this dude had to get in her way. That's right. She was minding her own business, umbrella in hand.
Moving people, animals, a lot of things have had to get out of my way.
It's going towards the hole, Russ.
อ้วนตรงๆธรรมดา
In the hole, don't hammer down. That means up and down. Can you say up and down?
up and down up and down
Hey. Hey. That's original, huh?
Original.
She said that's original. She get it from her mama, huh?
In Brazil, this is normal. In Thailand, this is a delicacy.
Anyway, you guys write in. Let me know what you guys think of my caddy with the Faddy. Let me know what you guys think because they read the comments and they want to know how you feel about them. Because these women be fine and don't even know it. And that's the thing that really trips me out. They just be like cool, single, oh man, just looking for a good man to take care of them. And not trying to get just knocked down. They're looking for a serious relationship. If you want to knock something down, there's other places for that. Hey! All right, I'm gonna play a game with you guys. There's 3 caddies here. One of them has 4 kids, one of them has 1 kid, and one of them has no kids. All right, what you guys think? Write in the comment section. This is number 28. Okay.
โอ้ไม่มีคน
Okay, that's 28. All right, that's mine. That's,
You ain't next.
remember, one of them has 1 kid, one of them has 4 kids, and the other one has 0 kids. Which one is it? Whoa! Hey! Damn! Oh shit! Ooh. Here's the other 2. They got to write in and guess though. So I'm gonna show y'all, give y'all looks, last looks. One of them has 1 kid. One of them has 0 kids. One of them has 4 kids. So here we go. You guys guess. Little innocent one. You guys got to watch the innocent ones. She look all innocent. So we got the innocent one. We got the one that was jumping around, and then we got the one with the fatty. So one has 1, one has 4, and one has 0. Which one is which? Write in and let me know. And you might get a prize if y'all can figure this one out, because this is a hard one, and you can't even tell how old they are.
Ooh,
Say that again, baby. Ooh, Right in the comment section, man. One of them has 1 kid, one of them has 4 kids, and one of them has 0 kids. Which is which? What do you guys have? What you guys betting on? What you got your money on? Alright? Man, y'all hear this shit? This dog has made a groan I ain't never seen or heard. You hear that? He means it. He means that shit. He's singing like Patti LaBelle. I can't make this up. What the hell? That dog is either sad or horny. I don't know what's wrong with that dog. Oh, what an asshole. See, he's an asshole. See what he did? He's an asshole. Yeah. Can you say asshole? Can you say asshole? There she go. There she go. Buddy, I know, right?
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking about myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always say anything I know, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going down my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Bye, Tusuai. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thanks for tuning in to Caddy of the Day. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Until next time, keep swinging and keep the notification bell ringing. You dig? Theme music.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Ay, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
If you want to go on a golf date, make sure to email me at zoomtothailand@gmail.com and type golf date in the subject matter. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. Put the notifications to all, because you never know when we might do a pop-up in the middle of Thailand. You dig?